What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So just a little brief update on the Redcat Volcano. So we had an issue with the passenger side front tire here, where on the last video, you can check that out, it should be popping up. This wheel here just kind of did one of those numbers, and upon further investigation, the screw came loose underneath of there. Yeah, I don't have the flash on, so you guys won't be able to see that, but what I did was tighten the screw at the top there, right there, and now I gotta find a screw so I can put it at the bottom, put it back in place, and then she'll be on the road again. And the other thing I'm going to do is, before I put her on the road again, is check, all the other screws and make sure they're tight and things of that nature, especially the gear that I just replaced. So yeah, that's the update in a nutshell. She's still a little dusty from when we had some fun with her, but this thing, I'm impressed. I really like it. It's fun to drive, especially with the four-wheel drive. And she ran good. The gear didn't fall off. It's just we had the screw for some reason pop out, and she broke down on us. But hey, that's all a part of the RC hobby, and it comes with the territory. So if you're new around here, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification button when we drop new videos. Also follow us on no.pros.rc on our Instagram channel for the inside scoop before the YouTube. So now I have to go online and see if I can find a screw that will fit in there and then put it in place. I may have some around here, but I got crap everywhere and I really don't feel like looking for it. So I'd rather just buy it and be done with it. Just a brief update video on what's going on with the Redcat Volcano. And till the next video, y'all be easy. Peace.